have you been using the InShot editing mobile app on your phone with the watermark on your videos? Not because you don't want to subscribe to the pro version, but because for now you can't really afford the pro version. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can remove the watermark from your videos while editing, with or without data connection. So if this sounds like what you're interested in, let's just dive straight into this video. So the first thing you have to do is to open your InShot app. So once you open the InShot app, you're going to see this cancel sign on top. Okay, this cancel sign, just click on it and remove that paid version, or if you want to subscribe. So now click on the video. Once you click on video, click on this plus sign as if you want to add a new project. Okay, now go ahead and select the video you want to work on. So right now I'm taking my time to select the video, the particular video I want to work on. So once you're done selecting the video, once you select the video, just click on that video and then it's just going to appear on your app, and then as if you want to start working. Okay, so the first thing I did was to mute the video. I mute the video so that the sound does not interrupt me, okay, while I'm working. So the next thing I'm going to do is just to split and cut out this part. I'm just going to cut out that part because I don't need it. Now the next thing you're going to do is to go ahead and edit your video. Just go ahead and do all of your editing, do your splitting, add anything, do anything you want to do to the video, okay, before you eventually do what I want to ask you to do now. So once you're done doing all of the color grading, all of the things you want to do, so once you're playing your videos, you will not see this sign I want to show you now. Look close to the watermark. You will see a plus sign. Once you pause the video, you see the sign, cancel sign. Then just click on it. Once you click on that cancel sign beside the watermark, you're going to see this option, InShot Pro. You know the features you're going to get when you subscribe to the pro version, and then you're going to see free remove. Okay, free remove. So that is what we're going to be working with now. The first one is the features, the things you're going to get when you paid for the paid version, you know, the pro version. So now we are not going to be working with that. We're going to be working with this free remover. Free remove, I beg your pardon. So I'm going to click on that free remove. Now give it time to roll. Is going to roll. Now this is the advantage of you offing your data, because when your data is on, it's going to be playing adverts for you. So you are expected to watch all of those adverts before you eventually remove that watermark for you. But if your data is off, you will not see any adverts. It's just going to take a little while and it will roll and then remove the watermark. So at this point it has removed the watermark, so you can export your video without any watermark on it. Okay, so I will advise you this is just a trick. I will advise you to off your data before you remove this watermark, before you click on it. So once you click on it, it's just going to take a little while and roll and then take off the watermark. So with that, you can export your video without the InShot watermark on it. Another thing I want to say is that make sure you do all of your editing, your cutting and splitting and everything before you do all of this. So guys, if you want me to do videos on how to edit like pro, how to color grade your video, how to do your color correction, how to edit like a pro on InShot, let me know in the comment section and I'm going to work on it. Thank you for watching this video from the beginning to the end. If you find this video helpful, I will encourage you to subscribe to the channel, drop a comment and give this video a huge thumbs up. I also want you to turn on your bell icon so you'll be the first to get notified whenever I post any video. Be yourself, always be happy and stay blessed. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.